All right, so here's a look at this pet shaver from Oneisall. You can see we've got a lot of use out of this. We've had this now for I think about 3 to 4 years, so you know for sure that it's gonna last. Now, when you turn it on, it's gonna show you the battery life that is available. Over here on the back, I love the fact that there's a grip here, even though it's kind of like a stainless steel, you know, slippery material. You want something that you're able to actually grip, and having a little indent right here for the logo, I put my thumb there, and then I've got this grip on the back, which is perfect. Now you could slide your blade up and down just like any other shaver. It's going to allow you to get even closer, or if you want to go just a little bit off of down to the skin, you can do that there. Or you can use any of the guards that it comes with. So you can see there's a bunch of options, and these are all going to be numbered as well. So you got all the way from level 1 right here, which is a really short shave. This is 1.5 millimeters or 1/16 inch, all the way up to a full inch or 25 millimeters. It'll also come with this little guard that you can throw right over the top of it if you want to kind of just, you know, block it and put it back into the case. And it'll also come with this oil and a brush. So when it does start to get a little rough, you can add a little bit of oil to it and it's going to loosen it up. You can also unscrew it here and pop this off. That way you can clean on the inside and do any type of repairs or maintenance on it. It honestly doesn't take too long to charge, and the battery life on this is pretty good. I don't think this would be a full professional grade for someone who's looking to do like a grooming service, or if you did, you would want to have 2 so that you can keep one plugged in at all times and then rotate through them. But if you're just going to be cutting your pet's hair every once in a while, not like every day, then I think this is going to last for a very long time. I also bought this because of the aesthetic. You can see that it's all shiny metallic material. I see some of the other ones on Amazon and they're just like plasticky looking cheap stuff. So I do like the fact that this looks good, and I mean it's lasted for 3 to 4 years now. So if you're looking for a really good dog shaver, I would definitely recommend this one.